Poetry and Prose about Prayers and Hmmz by Unicole Unicron of Unicult. Preface. There are responses by the author's channel that say Zermedia can be edited into new art, but I am not doing the promotion of chattel. I will be commenting directly, but making it more true to my soul. A hierarchy of vibrations will not grasp control here. I will work it as medicinal and more universally, without guilt, shame, or fear. I can operate the social framework. This is the songs, prayers, rituals, projections, and declarations of this individual. For those who witness to any of it, may it reach beyond the surface of all. And for the real preface, you're going to have to read the book, I guess. Because this isn't the first book that I've written an unofficial preface for, as some people may be familiar with.